What's up guys, today I'm going to work on 2001 Honda Accord. I'm going to replace the radio. So I'm going to put the screen. I got that from Amazon, the whole assemble. You can buy a different one if you want to. So there's different brands. This one's Chinese, but there's better one than this, but this one's cheap. And then it comes with the whole assemble. Or you don't need to buy the whole thing, just buy, I don't know what size from here to here. But yeah, if I want to upgrade in the future, I could. So there's two Phillips over down here. Take it down too, and then it will come out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So it'll be harder to record and work over, especially I don't have anything to hold it. I'll use one hand. I think there's Phillips down here, inside the cloak. Look like over here, but to find out. I think he could take it out this thing. Find out one way or another. If I broke it, doesn't matter that much to hold the car. Let me stop recording and take it out. We get it from here, just small screwdriver. Can use bigger maybe. From here, get in here and take it out. Easy. Was easy. It was not hard that much. Yep, there's one Phillips down there. Take that one. Let me unclip it and then yeah, I'll be back. The Phillips out. Now hopefully I can just pull it up, but I think I can use this screwdriver and get in somewhere around here. It's out. You just, when you have two hands, so you might more easier. Take it out. It's out. So there's Phillips on this one holding it. So I need to unclip over here. Okay, there's 4 bolts. You can use Phillips or 8mm each side. There's 2 and 2. So over here, 2 of them they're damaged. Someone tried to take it out. I don't know, somehow they damaged, but you can use 8mm. It's easier than damage it. So now I'm going to take it out, and then I'm not going to use those bolts, so I'm going to put it back. If you want to in the future, if you change that one, I need those, so I'm going to put it back there. Take it off now. There's a wire on the back side, so I'm going to hold us. Let me take these bolts, I don't want to lose them, so I'm going to use these 2. There's the wires out here, so we're going to clamp it this one over here. So some of them they're already wired for us, so we don't need to worry. But if you buy a different one, you need to wire it by yourself. I don't think it will come like this, so we're going to clip it like this over here. See now, so this one's key 1. I think it's for the keys. We don't need it for keys. Why this one is so here? Let me see this one. They're the same. I don't know why they did it like this. I'm going to unclamp this one and take it out. And there's a GPS, so I'm going to put it over there, and I put it back. I'm going to deal with that one later. I'm not going to do it now. Oh, this wire they're together, so I can remove it. Okay, so I'll deal with that one later. This one's for the keys. So in the future, I'll put the remote keys. The central lock doesn't work, so I'm not worried about that one later. I'm going to wear it later. And there's a camera too on the back side. Only the GPS, I'm going to put it over on this side, and then later on I'm going to worry about that one. The cameras too, can't do it right now. That one's different video maybe. Let me unplug over here and then I'll be back. Unplug everything over here. This one, there's the mic over here, so I did that. This one's for the camera, and then this one, this 2 USB. It's not USB-C, but which is that, but it's not. This one. So this one over here. I'm gonna plug that one. It's not that much charge. This one, I don't need it. GPS I just put over there, down there for now. Mic I'm going to put it around here too. It's not that much. If it's longer, I was planning to put it down here on the mirror, but it's not. So I'm going to leave it around here somewhere. Maybe I'm going to put it around here. Like close, maybe. Yeah, I think Maybe down there. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave it like this down here. Around maybe. Yeah, kind of. I don't know. Maybe I will figure out that one later. I don't mind. The rest of it we don't need for now. Gonna upgrade it. Maybe that one. Yeah. Let us put it and see how it works or not. Okay, this plug-in. The plug-in. They're so annoying. Doesn't go in. You need to wiggle to put it in. Otherwise, it's not easy. Okay, let's try. Okay, so uploading. No, it's not the worst. It's nice. So works. Connect wirelessly. If you want to connect by cable, you could. Leave it. The speaker need to replace too old. Doesn't sound good. That one's for later. I will upgrade it because I don't like it that much. So good. I'll peel it later. Let me put back everything. So far so good. I like it. Hopefully I'll like it. We'll find out. I'll take this one parts. There's Phillips tear apart and put it back on this one. All of it need to be transferred on this one. Okay, I'm working on the air duct over here. I need to take this Phillips over here from the old one. So there's a clip down here, 4 clip each side on the top one too. Take it out. After you take it out, you're going to take one piece at a time. You use screwdriver, just pull one, and then when you push back, it's easy. Put on this side first, and then push it in. It's not that much hard. I have to clean that one and then push it back here, and then put the Phillips. Don't forget Phillips one over there. Small Phillips, not the bigger one. You need to have super small, just like this small. Ready? All done. Now I'm going to put it back. I think I have to. Some of them I need to sneak it out from there. And this one. I'm going to zip tie this one over here like this, over here, zip tie like this, and then this one too, zip tie over here like this. I think I will add them together, all of them. So for the radio cable, it doesn't reach, so I have to buy a new one. Everything's plugged in. Only left just 2 of them. And the Phillips. Oh, let me put this one. Oh, so nice. Big too. Clean. But the radio I'm going to tear apart again because it's not reaching, it's too far away. This one have a go inside, this one doesn't go all the way there, because of that doesn't reach, so I have to buy a new one. Yeah, let me finish it, plug it in. I have to order that one, doesn't matter when you get it. I don't usually use that one, but yeah. Alright guys, all done. Plugged in, only left the radio cable's too short, so I have to buy a new one. I hope they did include it, but there's no, because of that one, the old one's too goes all the way. This one's too short, so it doesn't reach. So I will buy from Amazon and extend that one. Hopefully this is the Apple CarPlay I'm using by Bluetooth. Sometimes I don't know about this one, but other one disconnect. Hopefully this one doesn't disconnect. If this one disconnect, I'm going to return it because it's so annoying when it does do that. And then I'm going to upgrade the speakers. I'll put the description down below what I used. You can find it from Amazon. So thank you for watching. Write your comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share it. Subscribe too, especially some of you does subscribe. So subscribe. Yeah. Thank you, and stay tuned for other videos. There will be more videos on Discord, especially, so stay tuned.